Hey friends, let's talk about hand therapy. Because if you are an esthetician or a nail tech, your hands are your livelihood. And all that massaging, cleansing, and handiwork takes a toll. Today I'm going to show you a quick fascia release, especially for your thumb areas where we hold a lot of tension. I'm going to use a scraping tool, which is just a soup spoon. And I'm choosing this because I like this edge. It's rounded, there's no harsh seam, and it's a little bit thick. So we're gonna get into scraping the muscle in here, so you want a little bit of edge and you want it to be soft and round. This is gonna improve circulation and break up adhesions that tend to accumulate in the thenar eminence, which is this fleshy part of your thumb. All right, I'm going to start by applying a little bit of oil. This is Shield from my brand Cult of Reason. I like to use oil because it provides the glide, but you also get all the good stuff like essential fatty acids. Hands need vitamin C too. So I'm gonna also cover this whole palm. I'll add more in a little bit. So this is called the CMC joint, the carpometacarpal joint. This joint is responsible for your grip and thumb movement, and it's a common spot for pain and stiffness. This is the thenar eminence. Now we're gonna do some slow scraping movements. And you can see, these are short. I'm not scraping hard. I'm actually doing very short movements here. So using your fascia scraping tool, you're gonna gently glide along the base of the thumb and up into the thenar eminence. This muscle group is constantly engaged when you're applying pressure during facials or holding tools all day. So light, firm strokes help to break up adhesions and increase the circulation. So you can see I'm going down the thenar eminence, and you can also go across the muscle fibers. And you might even be able to feel where it's a little crunchy in there. And if you feel those little crunchies, like little crystals almost in there, spend a little time just scraping them out. Small movements like this. So I'm only gonna do this for about 2 minutes here for the sake of this video, but you can extend this on up to 10 minutes if you've got time, coming all the way down into the wrist. And this is where all the tendons in your hand originate. The flexor muscles here tighten up from repetitive use. So working through this area can help prevent long-term strain. You can scrape all the way around the thumb. Don't be afraid to backtrack. And now, once you have worked these muscles, do a simple stretch. I'm just putting a little pressure against my thumb, and this stretch right here feels good. You can even arch your fingers back a little bit. All right. I have another video coming soon where we'll use a rad roller ball to massage this muscle here. It's a different approach, less about scraping, more about deeper massage. Ooh, feels good. That's it. Very quick, can take 2 minutes. If you have the time to spend about 10 minutes doing it, or you can rope in a partner or a friend to do it for you, it's gonna give you even more relief. This muscle is like any other in our body that needs to have adhesion scraped out of it. Make sure you like and subscribe. This is Monarch Mending. I'd love it if you leave a comment as well. What else would you like to see?